welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be learning a tap step. It is the buffalo turn. So I have taught the single, the double buffalo tap step. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, I'm going to have them all linked below in the description box. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if there's anyone out there that you know that's interested in tap dancing, family or friends, share this video. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button. So before we get into the video, I'm going to show a demonstration of the tap step and then we'll break it down. Okay, without further ado, let's get tapping. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cross, we're going to start with our right side. You're going to cross your right foot over your left, looking like this. So you're in this position. And now you're going to make a half turn, turning to your right. So you're going to be using your right shoulder. And to think of it, your right shoulder is going to go backwards. So we're going to make that half turn going to our right. So you're in this position here, and we are going to step. So now we have our right foot in front, and we stepped on that right foot. So again, making that half turn to our right, we go step. Good. Our left foot is behind. Our left foot is now going to do a shuffle. So you're going to brush forward, back. So shuffle. So again, you're right here. Your right foot's crossed over your left. And we make that half turn to our right, and we go step. Left foot is going to shuffle. Good. Let's try it again. Right foot crossed over. Ready, and step. Shuffle. Now from here, you're going to make another half turn, turning to your right. So our right shoulder again is going to go backwards. So you're going to step on that. You're going to bring your left foot down and you're going to lift your right leg. So it's going to look like this. We bring our left foot down and we lift up our right foot. So we just finished, let's go from where we just finished the shuffle. We're going to bring that left foot down and we pick up our right foot and we end up like this. So our right foot is lifted up and it's in front. Our right foot is in front and our left foot is behind. So going from the top, nice and slow, we start here and we step, shuffle, and then another half turn to our right, lift. So you bring that left foot down and the right foot comes up. So again, nice and slow. Right foot's in front and we make that half turn and step, shuffle, lift that right leg. So a couple times. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. Good. So you're making two half turns to our right. Right shoulder, and then again to our right. We'd make another half turn to our right. So going from the top. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. So when we step, we want to make sure we're facing the back, and the shuffle is also facing the back. And then we bring ourselves back to front as we step down on our left foot and pick up our right leg. So let's do it a couple times without stopping. So as you do it more than once, you're going to be traveling to your right. So we'll do it twice without any stops. Ready, and make sure you're ready, and step, shuffle, lift. Again, step, shuffle, lift. Very good. Let's try that again. Starting from our position, right foot's in front, we make that half turn. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. Step, shuffle, lift. Very good. Let's try it on the opposite side. So going to our left. So now we're going to make the half turns to our left. So we're going to be using our left shoulder. So our left foot is crossed in front of our right. So we're going to make that half turn, stepping on that left foot. We go step. Now shuffle with the right. Shuffle. We're making that other half turn, turning to our left. Our left shoulder's going backwards. We bring our right foot down and lift up the left leg. So again, from the top, left side, we go step, shuffle, another half turn, bring that right foot down, and lift that left foot. So let's do the left side a couple times, starting from the top. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. Again, step, shuffle, So let's do 2 to our right and then 2 to our left a little bit faster. Going from the top. So right side and then left side. So have your right foot ready. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. Step, shuffle, lift. Okay, now left side. Get your left foot ready. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. And step, shuffle, lift. Okay, this is going to be the last time we're going to do it. Again, we're going to do it to our right and then to our left. But this time, I'm not going to say anything. Okay? So let's get ready. Starting on the right side, have that right foot ready. Ready, and. Okay, left side. This is the last time we're going to do it. Get yourself ready. Left foot's in front. And 5, 6, ready, and. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.